Welcome, seniors, Humanities 12 students. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how my Schoology page works. And if you've had me before, it'll be very similar. There's one difference though, and you can see it here. There'll be a greeting or a message on the days we have class. So when we meet again on March 31st, there'll be a message that'll be a video summary of what we'll need to get done on that particular day until the next time we meet. Other than that, everything is going to be pretty much the same. You'll see that we'll be working within the current unit. And the current unit will be economic systems. So when we click on the current unit, you'll find the class log at the top, Unit 9 Economic Systems class log, and I think this will be the most important thing for us. In there, you'll find a summary of the things that you'll need to get done on that particular day, and then a list of assignments below. So you'll know what you'll need to get done and when you'll need to get it done by. Then the resources folder comes after that. There are 3 folders, one for the resources of the class, one for assignments, and one for assessments. So under resources, you'll find things like the learning targets for the unit. You'll find a few videos. You'll find notes that you might find helpful for the unit that we're studying. After resources is the assignments tab or folder. And in the assignments folder, obviously you'll find all the things that you'll be working on. So the first one that you'll see is the March 31st due now assignment. That will be the one thing that you'll need to get done on March 31st. After assignments, you'll find the assessments folder. And in the assessments folder, you'll find any quiz or any tests that we'll be taking in this particular unit. Those aren't available to you, but you can see them on my screen. So that, young people, is how my Schoology page works. If you have any questions, please ask. See you soon.